This episode, we're at Sydney Motorsport Park on the skid pan doing a Motorkhana run by the Sydney Datsun Club, featuring Toymods. We take out a few passengers and passenger in some of the other awesome cars here tonight. And as you can see, there are more than just Toyotas and Datsuns running, so strap in as we send out the Supra to show them how it's done. Alright, so this is course 1, or the first test. We basically have this course here that we're going to have to go on the inside of the first cone, out here, I mean as the picture says, and we're going out, and it's a bit of a star. It is called the star actually. So I'm going to try and memorize this and we're going to get out there now. So let's get into it. But before we get into that, we have our driver's briefing run by David Wilson, who runs through the do's and don'ts of the event. There were 2 courses on the night. One side was for novices to learn and get comfortable, and one for more experienced drivers to try and carve their way through some more tight, complex cone arrangements. If you're looking to hone in on your skills as a driver, it's not all about getting the faster lap time than your mates on the big stage. A Motorkhana takes the speed out of the event and actually makes it about genuine car control in out-of-control seeming situations. We learn how to set up a car for a slide and how to use the throttle to steer with the back of the car to get around a tight set of obstacle courses while maintaining as much control as possible. You may even find yourself subconsciously using one of these skills you pick up at a Motorkhana and find your lap times improve. Seems logical enough. I'm panicking early. That's left of every cone lap. Okay. Gotta fix this cone. Ugh. Where is it? Where'd the cone go? Is it under the it's under the car. Get out of my car! Good. Okay, I f***ed that one. Whoops. Hit another one. I f***ed that royally. I f***ing lost it. The course is so
How did
much.
you go, mate?
It's so much smaller than the picture.
That's what she said.
And I'm like,
Oh, come
oh,
on, excuses.
I've got to make some excuses. I own a Toyota.
Did you follow the pattern?
I initially started following it and then I f***ed
Looks
it.
like a sunflower, man.
Yeah, I understand that. Hey, are you driving tonight?
God, no, you think that's bloody stupid, do you? No, I'm a spectator, then I can bag out everyone else.
Well, that could have gone better, but everyone makes mistakes no matter how many times we've done the same thing. On track was a bunch of fun, but off track was just a little car show. We had so many makes and models there that it made it really enjoyable, whether you were competing or appreciating the cars that had arrived. As early as the 50s and 60s up until today. All-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, Holden, Ford, BMW, Audi, Toyota, Nissan, Datsun, you name it, and it was probably there. We spoke to a few of the drivers. Experience among the people varied from those who had never done a Motorkhana before, all the way to very experienced rally drivers. One of the drivers' cars that stood out to me was Andrew Doyle's Datsun Stanza, and Mario got the opportunity to go passenger in this car and get us some footage. Here's how it went. Mario also got to go out in a supercharged M3.
He also got a run in Kirsty's 350Z. And while Mario was doing that, I found the Celica that I saw earlier and jumped in for a passenger session.
We're here with Bass in the Celica. I am so excited. This is your second Motorkhana. They've just changed the course on us.
Yeah, so it's gonna be horrible. It's gonna be fun.
So, here we go. I've never been so sideways in a Celica. Holy shit. Listen to that thing on lift. Oh my god.
I think we
Oh my god. Holy shit. That is so fucking fun. Man, that is so underrated. Front-wheel drive is not boring. Okay, hang on. Straight all the way, and we're doing the big loop around A, of this A, and then just zigzagging back.
To do that one, and then you do the full lap, and then
Okay. I haven't studied enough for this one. You do, baby. I don't And then this one?
yeah, you missed that one, but that's okay.
Oh, so it's the whole thing, isn't it?
Go, yeah. And then run the big one, run that one. All the way around. Nice. Take the last one.
We're gonna keep it going. Keep it going.
You gotta keep it going. This one, and then back to the Whoa, nice.
Oh, f it.
That was cool.
Oh, that was awesome.
It's actually a fun loop. Once you figure it out, it's a fun loop.
Yeah, that is cool. I'm dizzy.
After a few runs in the Celica, I took out a few passengers myself.
I think. Welcome to Motorkhana, Sydney Datsun Club. Oh, we got Mark in for his first Motorkhana passenger run now.
I think I've done this maybe never before. Now I've got
probably.
the expert in the car with me.
Well, I think we've all
No
done it
expert yet.
sort of on the track, but not on purpose.
Hello everybody.
We come out here,
Yep.
and then we're supposed to hook in,
Yep.
clutch in, then and we're supposed to do a sweeping right here, so
Yeah.
handbrake, send, and then a little bit of
That's nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow.
a bit of that,
And around this way?
a little bit of this.
Man, fucking awesome, bro. That's unreal, man.
All right, another round.
you tracking?
Oh man, I'm getting better now. The course is set up well. Now it's just a matter of me actually being able to figure out how to drive.
Awesome.
So-
And the car, happy?
Car's happy so far. It's not hot. I'm smelling the clutch now. I don't like the smell of my clutch. But I guess Mantic will just have to give me another one.
Mantic, please.
Mantic!
Or just get a whole lot of black ice and hang it up there, she'll be right.
Yeah, pretty much.
Awesome. Alright, good luck.
Yeah, ciao.
Best sounding car of the night, in my opinion, goes to this Toyota Chaser. And look how smoothly he gets through this course. This guy's definitely done this before. And now I jump into a proper rally car driven by Logan Waterhouse, and I get shown how it's
Okay.
done.
Tell me a small bit about this car. How much power?
Over 250 horsepower at the wheels.
Okay, cool. And this is a I don't want to sound stupid, a 1600?
One behind the 1600, this is
Okay.
121.
Okay, 121.
And signed written the same, so you're forgiven.
Yeah, okay. I'm learning Datsuns as fast as possible. I am married into a Datsun family, so I need to know. And you guys used to rally, or still do rally, don't you?
That one's a rally car. This was a drift car. Currently it's
Shit.
a rally car.
Okay, let's have some fun.
Hello. Who we got? Oh, another daredevil. Another would-be short liver, right? Not very
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
That actually smoked the tyres when I smoked.
Oh my god! Oh well, that was a very wonderful experience. It is a very real car.
It makes a lot of noise.
Oh, thanks, man.
Ain't you had fun?
I mentioned that we'd learn how to do this earlier in the intro. For rear-wheel drive, as we see here in these clips, let's say we're approaching a right-hand turn. Our goal is to transfer the car's weight to the left by first veering left, quickly tipping it to the right, clutch in, pull the handbrake to lock the rear wheels to initiate the slide, and once we have our desired angle, put the handbrake down, accelerate as we're sliding to steer with the back end of the car. More throttle means the back will go out further, and less throttle will bring it back in. Too much throttle and you'll spin. Not enough, and you'll grip too much and either understeer or just come to a stop. You do need some momentum, or all of this is useless. Through trial and error, you will learn how much momentum and throttle is necessary to get around each corner. Some courses are super tight and others are wide open and require much more momentum to get around successfully. If you're looking to learn more about car control, I would strongly recommend coming to a Motorkhana to practice and have fun. The wet pan makes it easy on the car, and it's 100% legal fun without the risk of hitting people or walls.
Yeah, go reverse. Keep going, keep going,
Yep,
keep going.
yep, keep going. Stop. Oh, wait. Now you don't move.
Turn the steering wheel this way. Hold it from the helmet. That's it.
All right. Excellent. No, you cannot take the cones home with you. They are for the course. Toyota. Ready?
Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
What's about Luke?
Oh, just track.
Just everything.
Luke,
Luke does make it easier
He
to
does.
slide
Be careful.
around.
That's like you're on a bit of a slippery slope there.
Come on.
If you survive,
I don't know if any of that's going to make that to the episode.
Probably not.
But
He's gonna...